I got a recommendation for a tripod. It's Coman Mini Tripod K3939. That's the model number, but it's a 72-inch tall tripod that's super affordable. If you're looking for a small tripod, but for weddings and small events, and I need to be mobile because I do travel a lot for my video and photo work, I need something small, and this is a high quality small tripod at a very low price. My favorite feature about this is that you could bring this up, unlock the bottom here. There's a knob, bring it all the way up, and you could turn it. So I do a lot of product video like this, and I have items that I want to show. And if I want to get a camera on top, instead of having a big rig, I could just have this tripod and take the shot. And in case you're worried about it bending, the cool thing is that it comes out all the way. Bring this back. There's a little hook that it comes with. You could put that hook there and put your backpack on it, or you don't even need the hook. You could just put it on top of the bar as well too. All my other videos before, it's just at an angle. It's on a tripod and I'm just shooting at an angle, but you could shoot downward with this thing. So boom, simple as that. Now it's got so much features for its price, which is absolutely crazy. Like I said, it's super affordable and it's very fluid. It's very sturdy. You could feel that it's good quality, so it doesn't feel cheap. I have a couple of cheap tripods that I bought from Amazon. I didn't really know how it looked. The photo looked great, but when I got it, it was dinky. It sucks. Easy to break, similar price, but this is, you get the high quality in this one. So for my wedding, I want small tripods. I'm always moving around from the reception to the bride getting dressed and so on. You have to be super mobile for your weddings. I still have friends who carries around big, just cart full of gears. And as a videographer, we got a lot of gears we have to carry around. But I like to keep things small and compact, and having a small tripod like this for my wedding is a must. So this is kind of neat too on the top. There's a little knob right here that once you put the plate onto it, and if you didn't make it that tight, if it's a little loose and you didn't really notice it, the cool thing is that it catches itself from falling. It's a ball head. You could angle it all different angles. I mainly use it for video, so I love how smooth the pan is. You get a very smooth shot, so I like that. The bottom part could come out, twist away, and then it becomes a monopod. You could then take the head off, put it on top here, and then now it becomes a monopod. And for a small mini tripod like this, it's the tallest that I have. When I'm shooting a wedding or if I'm at an event and I need to be above people's head, like at a concert or so on, then I could have this and go very high. So I love how tall this is. It could hold up to 11 pounds comfortably. So you could take the top part out and put it upside down in case you need the camera to be low to the ground. It's got a little red clip, very good quality to make it even lower. How low that is. That's crazy. That's a very low tripod. So that's cool. All the small rig cages are shaped so that way you could just slide in using, you don't need that mount. One of my cameras for weddings that I'm taking today, and I could just slide that in and ready to shoot for the speeches and so on, instead of having to, screw this on and then do. But if you don't have a cage, then of course you could screw it on and then put it onto the tripod. So I definitely recommend it. It's got a little leveler on top. So if you want a high quality tripod that is super affordable, that is light, small, and does everything that you need, and this Coman company has got a lot of cool tripods, and I can't wait to just try out more of their tripods. So Coman, if you hear me out, I'm going to ask you for another one if you can hook me up, because your tripod is absolutely amazing and it's super affordable. So I recommend it. I got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.